This video will illustrate how to set up a barcode printer in Fleetsoft. To start, if you go to the Sites button, click your mouse button over that, and then select the site that you want to set up the barcode for, and click the three dots to the right of it, and then go to Site Settings. Then click on the Barcodes tab, and this will bring up your barcode setup. And there is a URL here that you need to download to set up your printer, and you just want to highlight that. And I usually either click my right mouse button or I hit Control C, but I'm going to click my right mouse button, and I can hit copy, or I can actually say go to here and it'll take and automatically download that file for me. But if I click copy, and then I'll open a new tab, and I'm going to just hit Control V, or I can right click and hit paste. And that once I have that there, I'm going to hit enter, and you're going to see that it's going to go ahead and download that file for me. And then what I want to do is run this file. So if I click on it, it's going to start that file, and I just want to say yes, and it's going to ask me to install the file. I'm going to hit next, and it's going to say create a shortcut. I'm going to hit next and install, and it's going to ask me if it's going to say that it's in use. I'm going to just say it's going to close that, and it's going to install the Zebra Print barcode file. And once that is done installing, it's going to ask me to finish it, and it's going to ask me if I want to launch Zebra Print, which I'm going to say yes. Go ahead and hit finish, and I'm going to minimize, or I'm going to close my tab here. And now, if you notice, there is a Zebra Print browser print icon. If I click this little icon down here, if I click on that, there's this little button here, and if I click my right mouse button, you'll see it says Settings. I'm going to click on Settings, and this is where I want to assign my barcode printer that I've installed to Fleetsoft in this browser print. So I hit Change, and it's going to say Finding Devices, and it should bring up your Zebra printer and then that you have installed in Windows previously, and then you want to select that and click OK, and it should show up here. And then added devices, when you hit manage, you want to click the add button, and it's going to add this network 9100 in there. And once you have your installed printer here and that there, you're all set. And now you should be able to send that to your printer by clicking default 3x2 label and then say send to printer, and it should print a barcode on your printer.